In a world where speed, accuracy, and agility define success, Brillio is rewriting the rules of revenue operations. Outdated CPQ platforms can't keep up with today's dynamic business models. It's time for a smarter, scalable solution. Brillio's RCA solution, powered by Salesforce Revenue Cloud Advanced, transforms your revenue lifecycle into a growth engine. From quoting to revenue recognition, Brillio delivers precision, compliance, and speed at scale. Brillio's Agentforce integration brings Gen AI directly into your workflows, boosting productivity and decision-making. Whether scaling globally or innovating new models, Brillio's RCA migration delivers measurable impact across your enterprise. Brillio, powering precision, speed, and growth across your entire revenue lifecycle.